Welcome to my channel. My name is Rhee the Explorer. On my channel, we talk about everything health and lifestyle. Today, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have for dinner. Look, guys, I am obsessed with health and healthy living. And today, look, I've got salmon. Oh my goodness, I love salmon. So I have got salmon. And I just baked salmon with some vegetables. So this is gourgettes, bell peppers, and sweet corn. I just mixed them up and baked them together. And the remaining vegetables, I fried them. I stir-fried them for tomorrow. And this will be left here for me for tomorrow. And here I have some rice. It's a lot of rice, but of course I'm gonna use it for like the next 3-4 days. Yeah, because that's too much for me, for one person. And look, guys, what I have here: a glass of wine, my favorite wine glass. It's called Amarone. It's a type of Italian wine. Just very little. I love having wine once in a while. And as I've worked so hard, I deserve it. I deserve it. I deserve it, guys. So this is my meal today. And of course, I can never have salmon without avocado. Let me see if I have avocado somewhere. Yes, indeed. I do have avocado. Sorry, it's moving so much. I'm just gonna pick up my avocado. That is an organic avocado, and I'm just gonna add it. Oh, guys, this is Amarone. This is some Italian wine that I'm gonna use. So when I tell you I'm obsessed with health, look, guys, at my fruit plate. And here are the berries. The berries are here. Strawberries. I put them here in plastic because I have fruit flies. I don't want to have fruit flies eating my berries. So I've got strawberries actually. Strawberries everywhere. Strawberries everywhere, guys. Strawberries everywhere. And so, oh, my messy kitchen. Welcome to my messy kitchen. My messy kitchen. But it's beautiful. So I'm gonna wash this avocado and add it to my salmon and vegetables. And today I'll have some rice. It's very exceptional. I don't usually do carbohydrates, but today, because I haven't had lunch or anything, I will do some carbs, and that's why I have white rice. Of course, the healthier choice would be brown rice or something, or full grain rice, but in this moment, I just felt like having some white rice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna prepare my avocado, and serve my food. I don't think I'm gonna show you my portion, but I tell you the truth. I'm gonna eat all of this, a piece of salmon and all of these veggies, and maybe 2 or 3 spoons of rice. Yes, guys, rice. And maybe oh, this one glass is it's not even a quarter way full. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna add a little bit of wine in my wine glass, and that will be it. That will be it. me eat. That is my meal for today. I hope, guys, I really hope that everybody has had a meal to eat today. I feel terribly, terribly, terribly sad to showcase my food when I know very well that there are many souls out there without anything to eat, without anything to eat, without anything to eat. And I am so deeply sorry if somebody doesn't have food to eat today, and here I am showcasing my food. I am so deeply sorry for that. Guys, cheers. Enjoy. Join me. Think about me as I have my healthy meal. Bye bye.